Hi there, good evening. This is Simaris Carding Bjorn once again. And for tonight's vlog, I'm going to teach you on how to translate or how to learn Pangasinense words. And I'm going to translate it for you. So I've got three common words for you. Okay, in Pangasinense. Okay? First word, wala. Wala. Wala means meron in Pangasinan. It doesn't mean na wala talaga sa Tagalog. Okay? Pag sinabing wala, meron yun sa amin. Meron sa Pangasinan yun, guys. Okay. Second word. Second word. Mabaybayag ka. Again, pabaybayag ka. That means, guys, okay, girls, pabaybayag ka means wala pong bastos na word doon, okay? It only means ang tagal mo. Ang tagal mo. It doesn't mean no. Ang sama niyo naman mag-isip, guys. Okay, wag ganon. Pabaybayag ka means ang tagal mo. Okay? You're so slow. That's in English, okay? Last word in Pangasinan or in Pangasinense is antutan mo't. One more time. Antutan mo't. Okay. That word, of course, wala pong bastos doon. Okay? Wala pong bastos doon. Antutan mo't means, ano ba yan? Okay? Ano ba yan? Okay? Please follow, like, and subscribe to my channel for more Pangasinense words. Bye! This is Simaris Carding Bjorn.